All right, y'all. We're gonna do a review on this one: Yellowstone Rips Ranch Hand Beef and Cheese Pasta Bake. Oh God, these things are loaded down with sodium. Now, there's what it looks like coming out of the box. All right, let's zap this thing. 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes, so uncover. I stirred it up, and it goes back in for 2 more minutes. All right, it's up. It says let it set for 1 minute to cool off a little bit. Be back with you in a minute. All right, everybody, there it is. And yep, gotta get my reaction. It's cheesy. It's hot. I did add a little bit of pepper to it. It may not be healthy, but it tastes good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. And y'all, I do eat healthy, so yeah. No, that's good.